This Sony microphone right here, it's $10,000. Can we try it? And in this video, I want to talk about frame rates and the reason why I film at 60 frames per second most times. Alrighty, so we're on our way to the Legator booth because some of our friends are actually performing at the booth today. And I started doing this before it got loud, but it's going to get even louder there. But wait a second, because I want to tell you why I mainly shoot at 60 frames per second and not at 24. Now, this is another reason why I like to use the Smove bubble in crowded situations. Check this out. Now, one of the major reasons why I film at 60 frames per second is because I want to be able to slow it down if I need to. It's really good to have a little bit of that extra ceiling. So if you have a 24 frame per second clip, you can't really slow it down because you start getting a lot of choppy frames. It's all gonna look jittery and weird. But if you shoot 30 or above at 60 FPS, then you're definitely gonna be able to have some flexibility and get some slow-mos, speed ramps, and slowdowns on command. Let's do it. To avoid. We're in the drum section.
What's up, guys? Me and Eddie here. Oh wait, who's back there? Hi. Dude, this thing's f***ing wild. Wait, I can move this thing, right? Oh,
yeah.
Wait. Wow. What a trip.
All right, everybody. NAMM Day 2 is in the books. I was actually having so much fun with my friend Art Cruz and everybody else that we got to meet that I actually forgot to film the ending of this video. I love to film in 60 frames per second because I do have the flexibility to, of course, edit this and slow it down if I need to and ramp it up if I need to as well. 24 frames per second is fantastic. It gives you out of the camera cinematic look. But if you do have the situation that you want to slow things down or ramp things up, it might not give you the result that you desire. But I want to know what you think. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them down there so we can continue to create relevant content for you. Don't forget to subscribe to Smove and my channel, and I'll catch you on the next one.